Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading mechanical drafting company based in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a reliable and trusted provider of mechanical drafting services. The company offers a wide range of drafting solutions, including 2D and 3D drafting, CAD conversion, and design optimization. Their team of highly skilled engineers and draftsmen are well-versed in the latest drafting software and tools, ensuring accurate and precise drawings that meet the industry standards. As a mechanical drafting company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of providing high-quality and error-free drawings to their clients. They strive to deliver projects within the specified time frame, while maintaining the highest level of accuracy and attention to detail. Their team works closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and preferences, ensuring that the final drawings meet their exact specifications. With their extensive knowledge and experience in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is capable of handling projects of any size and complexity. One of the key factors that sets Scon Design India Pvt Ltd apart from other mechanical drafting companies is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They prioritize client needs and go above and beyond to exceed their expectations. The company follows a streamlined workflow process that ensures effective communication, regular updates, and prompt resolution of any issues that may arise during the project. This level of dedication and professionalism has earned them a solid reputation in the industry. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also offers competitive pricing for their mechanical drafting services, making them an ideal choice for businesses looking for cost-effective solutions without compromising on quality. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a renowned mechanical drafting company located in Marathahalli, Bangalore. With years of experience and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in providing high-quality mechanical drafting services. The company offers a wide range of drafting solutions to cater to the specific needs of various industries. As a leading mechanical drafting company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has a team of skilled and experienced draftsmen who are well-versed in using the latest drafting software and tools. They are proficient in creating detailed and accurate mechanical drawings, blueprints, and 3D models, ensuring precision and adherence to industry standards. The company's commitment to delivering top-notch services has earned them a reputation for excellence among their clients. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd understands the importance of staying updated with the latest advancements in technology. Therefore, they continually invest in training their team